Bootstrap Studio comes with a collection of high-quality premium templates. To see them, open the New Design dialog and scroll to the Premium group. We've designed these templates specifically for Bootstrap Studio, and they work great with the app. Just pick one and click Create. You can use each template on an unlimited number of client and project websites. Every premium template comes with a collection of widgets which you can access from this button. Widgets are reusable design blocks that you can combine to make unique pages. You have nav bars, hero sections, footers, and more. Just grab a widget and drop it on the page. You can also use the components in the sidebar. They are not specific to the template, but will adapt to the fonts and colors. This template consists of several pages. You can delete those that you don't need. If sometime later you change your mind and wish to bring back the page, right-click the Pages group and click the New Template Page menu. This will bring up a dialog with all pages that were originally part of the template. Just select the page and choose whether to add it to the navbar or not. The final benefit of using Bootstrap Studio's premium templates lies in the Theme panel. Here, you can customize the colors, fonts, and more from a central place and make the template unique. You can change the colors with the color picker like this. To change the font, you first have to add the font to the design from the Font Manager. Pick the font you wish to use and save. This adds the font to the design. You then assign it to the theme to activate it. Premium templates are a great way to build a unique website for your project or client. Thank you for watching.